Hey guys, today I will be testing Liquitex Basics Mars Black for the first time. So if you want to learn something new with me, here I go. Now I've mixed all my other paints. I'm using leftovers, but this one I will mix it in front of you so that we both see how this thing works. Alright, so it's pretty thick. A bit like the Artist Loft. Well, a lot like the Artist Loft. I'll make a big batch here. Since it's really thick, I'm going to add pouring medium. Like my usual, just a few drops. Mix that in first. Now I'm going to be using two Americana colors that I have left over, some orange and another purple violet, I think. Alright, so it's reacting a lot like the Artist Loft. It's lumpy at first, but it blends in pretty well after a while. Gonna be needing a lot of water, I can see that. So since I'm testing out here, I'm working on a 12 by 12 small canvas. Now I find that working on bigger canvases gives like better results and more cool effects, but you know, I'm testing out here, so I won't go big. Still needs more water. It's really resembling the Artist Loft up till now, but it's much blacker, I find. It's more dense probably. So that's still thick. Wow, I'm going to need a lot of water. So I'm really finding that the consistency is resembling the Artist Loft, but better. It's better. I'll just add a teeny bit more water. Wow, you guys saw how much, eh? Like I had that much paint and now it's like up to there. So this has to be, okay, that's perfect like that. Alright, so here I go. Same pull technique as usual. That's how we learn, by using the same technique and switching paints. I have some orange left from my black, white, and orange video that I really love. Add 2-3 drops here. So it's kind of giving that circle like the Artist Loft, but it's a bit different. It's a bit different. Now I'll be trying some white too. Yeah, I'm going to add a bit of white to see how they react together. Now this is my same white as in my last video. So you can see that there's a circle with the orange, and there's none with the purple and none with the white. The white and the black seem to really go good there. I'm really loving how it's reacting with the white. Much less with the orange, but you never know. Here, let's put some of this one in here. It's reacting with the white like so much better than with the Artist Loft. Oops, doesn't matter. I'm going to stop with the orange there. Put some other white, black, white to see how that goes. Oh, I'm in love with this color. All right, I'm going to go with that. So finger through. It's not creating cells as much as when I pass my finger through with the Artist Loft. So let's see how this goes here. There. I'm going to go for simple. So let's see if this changes through time or not. All right, guys, I will be back. All right, guys, so it's been about 8 minutes and absolutely nothing has happened. Which is a bit of a disappointment. Now that's a disappointment also. Where is my, okay, here. Let's play with it a bit. You see that no cells are happening. So I'll test the dish soap. Well, that reacted like crazy. But you know, I didn't get cells on its own. There's nothing happened like I wanted it to. Well, not like I wanted it to, but you know, I thought maybe I could get cells with another black than Artist Loft. So test experiment with the Liquitex Basics. Now maybe it's going to work out for you, you guys. You never know. How about I'm going to try something here. I'll re-pour a bit on top. Now, usually when I pour my Artist Loft in that manner, like I just did, like just splashing it on, the cells appear by themselves. This is how you experiment, people. You just try everything you can, and then you learn. Oh, some are forming here. So I'll try moving this again. Now I'm losing all my purple there. And I have another orange, black, and white painting. So I'm gonna just let it be a little bit in case it changes this time. Sometimes a re-pour works. I can see it moving, like, and I like how the black is more defined, like where there is some there. Like the Artist Loft, it blends in, and this one, well, of course there's gray there because I re-poured and everything, but I'm just gonna give it a few minutes, all right? And I'm gonna turn the camera around and you guys will have seen my test results, all right? Alright guys, so some cells did happen within about 7 minutes, but I don't know. I'm still making this orange, black, and white painting. It's kind of cool, but I have this idea. What if I mix equal parts of the Liquitex and the Artist Loft? So one that gets cells and one that's better quality that gives a nicer black. So let me just set that up and I'm going to switch into a second painting, you guys, all right? Alright guys, so I've got my Liquitex and my Artist Loft mixed equally, equal parts of each, and I prepared it exactly the same as I did before. So let's go and test this again. It would really be awesome if this would work, because it would mean that I could get cells with the Liquitex and get a nicer black result than with only the Artist Loft. That's less dark. So I'm going with purple and blue. I'm going to try the white also. It's reacting pretty much the same as in the other canvas I just did, which is kind of cool. Not too much of a big ring there around it. Testing is so much fun. I'm really liking the darkness of this Mars Black. It's a bit thick here. The Artist Loft and the Liquitex are really, they really resemble each other a lot, like on how thick they are when they come out of the bottle and how much water I have to put into them. That's so pretty there. Alright, so I'm going to go with that. It's so pretty. These colors are so pretty together. The way you move your canvas really gives like a different result, whichever way you tilt first. All right, not much is happening right now. So, oh, it's forming here. So I'm just gonna let it be a while, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is about 10 minutes later. You can see that where it reacted the most was mostly where there's white. So not too much happening from this Mars Black. But let's not rule out Liquitex for cells, okay? This is just a first experiment. Maybe it would work better on a huge canvas where it moves more like around. Maybe it works better with other brands. So most importantly, let's not rule this out right away. That part is cool down there. Come on. And I would do a report to test like the other one, but I won't because I'm kind of liking it. I like the simplicity of it and the cracking a bit at the bottom there. And if you guys want to see the other one from before, this was with the re-pour. So, you know, it's kind of cool. So we cannot rule out the Liquitex. Ooh, I really like that part there. But I did have more trouble than with the Artist Loft. So what I might do is keep it and use it with the Artist Loft separately in a painting. So the Artist Loft for cells and that one to get a better black. You see how dark that black is compared to my usual paintings? Alright guys, so experiment with Liquitex. Hope you guys like this. Alright, bye.